Hello, little learners! Welcome back. Today we're learning letter D. This is the letter D. Capital D. Small d. Letter D. Say it with me. D.
D.
Letter D says D. D. Repeat after me. D. D. Excellent! Let's write it. Down, around. Great! Now small d. Around, down. Fantastic! Let's learn a word with letter D. Dog. D. Dog. Good job! Duck. D. D. Duck. Duck. Doll. D. D. Doll. Door. D. D. Door. Wonderful! What letter did we learn today? D. What sound does it make? D. Dog. Duck. Door. Excellent! Can you say the words? Dog. Duck. Doll. Door. Excellent! Great job! You learned letter D. Keep practicing. See you in the next alphabet adventure. Bye!